What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. You can already figure out what we are doing today. Now let me tell you that I'm so bored looking at black and brown liners on the lid that I wanted to do something really cool, wild, but at the same time wearable. And this is what I came up with. I thought why not use a white liner. Now I've also used a white liner in one of my photo shoots with a high-end magazine which was themed around modern bride, and this was worn on a lehenga, and trust me, it came out to be so gorgeous and so beautiful. And the post is available on my Instagram. You can go and check that out. But if you want to know how to get this look, then continue watching. Guys, as usual, we're gonna start with the foundation first, and the foundation that I'm using today is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion, and this is the shade Amber, and I'm mixing this with Infallible Pro Matte 104, and this is the mixture that I'm wearing today. So let's see how it goes. I don't know how it's gonna go. So I've got some acne marks out here which I am gonna correct today because I want my skin to look really pretty. So I'm taking the PAC crayon, and like you can see, I've used this a lot, and I'm gonna apply this everywhere where I have acne. And with my finger, I'm just gonna dab this. Look at this. It's just not there. That's the power of concealing. I did moisturize my face with a good moisturizer, and I'm gonna go with my foundation now, and using my beauty blender, just dabbing the product. I'm gonna keep it very sheer coverage today because this is a sort of look that I would wear to go for a movie or probably just a brunch with friends. So not doing too much. I want a very natural look because my eye is sort of gonna be really dramatic. Not dramatic you may say, but it's something not common. It's not the black kajal that you always wear. So I'm gonna keep my face really muted and very natural looking. Now going with my Maybelline concealer, I'm gonna apply this on my dark circle. Using the same beauty blender, I'm gonna blend this. I'm gonna use my Krylon Cake Makeup powder and I'm gonna set my under eye. I'm going to take a fluffy brush now, and this is the PAC 302 brush, and using the same powder I'm going to set my entire face. We're going to start off with the eyes now because the eyes is going to be really simple yet very classy, very chic, very dramatic. I'm going to go back with the same beauty blender that we've applied the foundation, and I'm just going to tap this on my eyelid. Going with this shade out here, I'm just gonna apply this all over my lid so that it looks a little brightened and uniform. Now I'm gonna go with a brown shade, which is this, and I'm gonna use this right in the socket of my eye. And like I said, I'm just doing this to create dimension, not that I'm gonna go any dramatic. Now going with the Revolution Pro Dip Liner by Makeup Revolution, this is how it looks, and I'm going to apply this white eyeliner on my lid. Now I'm not using this one because this one is really stiff. Although the formula of the product is very nice. I mean, it's really pigmented and it's easy to apply, but not with this one. So I'm going to change the brush and I'm going to use my brush today. I'm taking the wand of a different eyeliner and I'm just going to line my eyelid. So you're going to start with small strokes. I'm gonna go with my mascara and apply it right on the tip of the lashes. I'm also going to apply this on my lower lash line. For my blush, I'm going with the MAC Gingerly, and I'm going to apply this right on my cheek. Very slightly. I'm going to bronze my face with the Wet n Wild bronzer. My highlighter, I'm going to go with the Molten Gold highlighter by Maybelline. This is the Master Chrome highlighter, and apply it right on the highest points of my face. I'm going to clean my lip scrub. I had applied the My Glam lip scrub. And for the lips, we are going to go with the Maybelline Stay Matte Ink. And this is the shade Delicate. I'm going to go back with the brown shade that we applied for the eye contouring and apply it on my lower lash line. I'm going to apply some highlighter below my brows. So guys, this is the final look. This is how the white liner looks. Now, like I've already explained to you guys, we are so used to looking at black and brown liners on our face. It takes a little while to adjust with the white color, but this is not bad, guys. I mean, I can wear this for a movie or a brunch, you know, with my friends, and this looks so different. This is like the bohemian, wild, cool chick kind of vibe. And if you are that girl, then do not forget to recreate this look. Tag me on my Instagram and Facebook. That all is the makeup by Cynthia. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.